In the previous video, we were talking about how to set up your user and password so that you don't have to log in each time you open up your company file. So this login option is not on by default and must be set up in your login settings or company preferences. Only the company files administrator can enable this option, but it applies to all users of the company file. The admin chooses how long users can remain logged in with a maximum of 90 days. The default is 2 days. To get to this preference setting, let's go to Company, Users, Manage Login Settings. Now you can also go to Edit, Preferences, General, and then Company Preferences. Either way, this opens up your preferences to the general section of your company preferences. Company preferences affect all users globally. Go down to the Manage Login settings to choose to log off each time the user closes or exits the QuickBooks Company file, or to keep the user logged in for a specific amount of time shown here. Once this option is enabled, go to File, Close Company. Will only close the company file but not log off the user. This concludes this section on users and permissions. If you have any questions, please email me at rayanne.salter@mynamemybooks.com. If you have any videos that you would like me to create for you, please let me know. Thank you again for everything.